I'm Jack, and this is my 1984 GTI. So this was one of 30 some odd thousand made last year of the Mk1 GTI. Really cool car. I picked it up from the previous owner's son. Unfortunately, the previous owner had passed, left it in a garage in San Rafael for the last some 25 years. I got it. It was partially apart, put it back together, took it to a shop. They had it for about 2 years. So finally, just now, within the last probably 6 months, I've been able to drive it and enjoy it after owning it for almost 6 years. But really fun car. I really enjoy driving it around. It is very much, all original, as we can see with all the dents and fun things, but very rarely do I go somewhere and I don't hear somebody say, man, I used to have one of those. Those were so much fun. So it's, it's always a good conversation piece, and I am trying to keep it as original and as fun as possible.